Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're going to talk about something I believe is a missing ingredient in most people that are involved with social media, internet marketing, Shopify, affiliate marketing. Does not matter, okay? If you have a big goal or big dream, okay, and you want to accomplish it, all right, you got to have work ethic, okay? This is something that I see missing in most people. Everyone's trying to figure out a way to get rich in social media marketing without rolling up their sleeves and going to work, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, there is no such thing as something for nothing, okay? If you want to get clients, okay, if you want to get good at picking up the phone, set an appointment so that you can go out and present your social media marketing services to business owners. Ladies and gentlemen, you got to go to work. There's no other way around it, all right? You have to have a solid work ethic, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, when I first got started doing social media marketing, I went to work, plain and simple. I rolled my sleeves up. I picked up the phone, all right? I got the courses, all right? I devoured them. I applied the information, okay? And I worked my butt off, okay? And ladies and gentlemen, it's the same thing today. If you want 5, 6, 7, 8 social media marketing clients, you're going to have to work. You're going to have to get good at the game, all right? It's all about your work ethic, okay? Now, here's the thing. If you look at your bank account, all right, and you look at your Rolodex, all right, as far as how many clients you got, all right, if you look at your garage and your closet and you look at how much money you're spending on travel, okay, and you find out that everything is lining up that you have nothing, ladies and gentlemen, you got to check your work ethic, okay? If your bank account still is reading $1,000 or a couple $1,000 and you're not happy about it, ladies and gentlemen, your work ethic sucks. And so what do you have to do to change that? Folks, you got to roll your sleeves up and you got to go at it day in, day out, day in, day out. You got to get the courses. You got to get the coach. You have to apply what you're consuming, all right? You got to get your work ethic to another level, all right? Most people want clients, but here's the thing. You're not working for it, all right? You have a small work ethic, all right? And if your work ethic, all right, ladies and gentlemen, is at the next level, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to get clients, all right? The problem that you're facing, folks, is all about the activity, okay? Are you working towards your goal, towards your dream, all right? Are you picking up that phone every single day to progress to get the $10,000 a month or $20,000 a month? Without work ethic, ladies and gentlemen, nothing's gonna happen for you, all right? You have to discipline yourself, all right, to delay gratifications that you may achieve the goals and the dreams that you're setting out to hit. And it all boils down to work ethic. Now, the reason why I was able to blast past so many people in social media marketing without a college degree, without any experience, ladies and gentlemen, is because my work ethic was higher than the other people's work ethic, all right? So if you want to blast past people and you want to achieve the unachievable, that most people will never get a client, most people will never have $10,000 a month slamming their bank account, is all about your work ethic, okay? You can pass most people up today just by working harder than them, all right? Most people don't get out of bed till about 9 to 10 o'clock, and if you get up in the morning at 5 or 6, you're gonna blow past the competition because you have a audacious work ethic. All right, and this is what it takes, ladies and gentlemen, to build a 6-figure agency. All right, you have to have an audacious work ethic. You got to put in the work. You got to pay your dues. See, all you're trying to do, ladies and gentlemen, if you want 4 or 5 clients, You want to have a successful agency, or maybe you're in Shopify or real estate. You're doing something in real estate. The guys that make the most money work the hardest. You know, the guys that make the most money are the guys that are putting in the work. See, most people quit at 5 o'clock. I'm still on the grind. Most of you guys are done working. I'm still grinding. Most of you guys are sleeping at night. I'm still grinding. Most of you guys wake up late. I'm still grinding. It's not that I'm better than you guys, but I have an audacious work ethic. So what I want to challenge you guys today is check your work ethic at the door. All right? If you want to get rich in 2020, step your work ethic up. Stop making 5 calls and make 300 calls until you get an appointment booked. You got to have an audacious work ethic. It's time out for playing around, ladies and gentlemen. Tomorrow's not promised. All right? It's time for you to step the game up. Step your game up and work for what you want. Nobody's going to hand it to you. All right? It's about putting in the work. And if you put in the work, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to reap a harvest. And a lot of you guys want a big harvest, but a lot of you guys aren't putting in the work. A lot of you guys aren't buying the courses. You're not investing in yourself. You're not taking the action necessary to get a client. Let me ask you, ladies and gentlemen, do you deserve a client? Most of you guys, and you say, man, I want a client. But most of you guys aren't even working to get a client. How many calls did you make this week? How many? Think about that. And just say to yourself, you know what, Maurice, you're right. I don't even deserve a social media marketing client. I haven't even been paying my dues. I haven't even been working for it. You know, you guys aren't even putting in the work, and then you're wondering why, oh man, social media marketing doesn't work. No, you don't work, okay? And if you don't work, you're not gonna get clients. And if you don't work, you're not gonna make $10,000 or $5,000 a month. You're gonna continue to be working a dead-end job when you can have unlimited amounts of success as long as you're willing to work for it. You guys can have anything you want in your life, but you have to have a work ethic. You have to pay the dues daily. Okay? You got to work for what you want, folks. There's no free lunches here. Social media marketing requires that you go through the ups and downs, the trials, the tribulations, the struggles. You got to grow through this thing if you want to make the big money. It's about your work ethic. How many calls are you making a day? Are you serious about it? Some of you guys aren't serious about this thing. You want it, but your activity and your work ethic says different. If you really want to have 5 to 10 clients a month, ladies and gentlemen, you should be setting aside 2 to 3 hours of nothing but focused activity on getting clients. Focus. That means either emailing clients or picking up the phone or LinkedIn strategies or Facebook or YouTube strategies. It should be focused every day, 5 days a week minimum. When I was doing it and I was on my runs, ladies and gentlemen, I was hitting this thing 6 days a week. My highest month was over 25 G's. Why? Because I had an audacious work ethic. I wasn't sitting around here typing on YouTube, Facebook, scrolling Instagram. No, I was paying my dues, putting in the work. And a lot of you guys aren't putting in the work, and you're wondering why you don't have those credit card authorization forms and people aren't scratching $1,000 and $2,000 and $3,000 checks for you because you're not putting in the work. Guess what? The clients are out there. Go get them. Let me say that again. The clients are everywhere. There's clients that need your help. But you guys are, I'm afraid to talk to them. What? What? You afraid to get that money? It's out there and it's unlimited. There's unlimited amounts of clients, but they're waiting for you. So what? People are going to say no and all this other stuff. You pick that phone up, you send the emails, you do what you have to do to get the clients. You got to have a work ethic. And yes, sometimes it hurts. Yes, sometimes you got to burn the midnight oil. Sometimes you might not sleep. So what? So what? You might have to invest in a $1,000 or $2,000 course. So what? Pay your dues. You have to. There's no way around it, ladies and gentlemen. You have to work for what you want, okay? Period, point blank, all right? There's no such thing as cheating success. Cheating success is like this: going to a bank, sticking a gun at the teller and say, give me $25,000 cash. And if you do that, they're going to lock you up. And that's the same thing people are doing in social media marketing. They're trying to stick everybody up, and guess what? It's not happening. You're trying to cheat your way to success. You don't want to buy the courses. You don't want to get the coach. You don't want to pick up the phone. You're afraid. You don't want to grow in essence. When you're doing that, ladies and gentlemen, you're in essence saying you want to stay small. Okay, you want to stay immature. What do I mean? If you want to drive a Mercedes-Benz, you have to be a certain age. If you want a driver's license, you have to be a certain age. They don't give a driver's license to everybody, and they don't give $10,000 to $20,000 to anybody. Nobody's just gonna hand you a $2,000 or $3,000 check. You gotta grow. That's why I encourage you guys to grow. Get the courses, get the books, get the motivation. You have to have that. You have to grow. So when a person meets you, they're like, "Ooh, I want to work with him. He's sharp. He knows what he's talking about. He has desire. He has a burning work ethic. He's going to help me to take my business to the next level, and I want to work with that person." That's what it's about, ladies and gentlemen. And until you guys get to that level, and it's easy, you just got to pay your dues every day, you're not going to build a six-figure agency. I just gave you guys exactly what you needed. Because a lot of you guys are wondering, man, I don't have clients. Man, this is hard. Man, they keep telling me no. Because you're not working hard enough. Put in more work until you get that client. Put in more work until you find the outsourcer. Put in more work until you're making $25,000 to $30,000 a month. You can do it. I did it. You can do it too. Okay? So if you guys need help, you're sick of struggling, you want more clients, click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. You can also sign up for coaching. I would love to help you guys, help you break procrastination, take your social media marketing agencies to the next level. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. I had fun. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe if you're not a subscriber of the channel. Hit the thumbs up. I'm going to be hitting you guys with so much because this is the year of wealth, okay? This is the year of wealth. You are going to accomplish your goals. You're going to work harder this year. You're going to spend more money this year in your mind. Most people spend more money on their exterior instead of their interior, and they wonder why their pocketbooks and their checkings accounts are low. It's time to get more zeros in your checking account. It's time to get more zeros in your savings account. And it all boils down to your work ethic. And I know you guys want it, so I got to give it to you. My name is Maurice. I'll see you guys in the next one. Pick up the phone, make some calls. Let's take this social media marketing thing over. If you with me, comment below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.